Hello and welcome. After the tragic mid-air collision near Washington that claimed 67 lives, aviation safety leaders are urging the industry to pay attention to warning signs elsewhere before another accident occurs. One airport being discussed in particular is Hollywood Burbank in Southern California. The concern isn't a single mistake or one failure point. It's the complexity of the environment. Burbank sits inside extremely dense Southern California airspace, where airline traffic, business aviation, flight training, and a constant flow of helicopters all operate within very tight margins. With nearby airports like Van Nuys feeding traffic into the same area, overlapping traffic flows can quickly increase workload for both pilots and controllers. Reports indicate that airline pilots have experienced traffic alerts and situations where aircraft were closer than expected, sometimes requiring adjustments on approach or greater reliance on onboard collision avoidance systems. Events like that don't always make headlines, but within aviation, they are often viewed as early warning indicators of elevated risk inside the system. From a professional pilot's perspective, this isn't about blaming controllers or flight crews. It's about understanding how layered complexity increases vulnerability. When aircraft with very different speeds and performance profiles share constrained airspace, situational awareness demands rise sharply. Communication, expectation management, and timing all have to be extremely precise, and perfection is never a realistic safety barrier. The FAA says it is evaluating procedural changes, and some adjustments have already been made to nearby traffic patterns in an effort to create more vertical and lateral separation. Early indications suggest improvement, but safety experts emphasize that proactive mitigation is critical. Waiting until after an accident removes the opportunity to prevent it. The broader lesson mirrors what accident investigators repeatedly reveal. Tragedies rarely occur without warning. They are usually preceded by close calls, elevated workload environments, and the gradual normalization of reduced safety margins. Airspace like Burbank can be operated safely, and it is every day. But when experienced pilots constantly express concern, that's a signal worth paying attention to. Aviation safety isn't just about responding to tragedy, it's about recognizing the pattern early enough that tragedy never has the chance to occur.